Finally, bro, finally. So, wait. Money is here. The money is here from Alpha Futures. Bro, WFirm, actually, propfirm, they actually approved the payout on Sunday, which doesn't make any sense. Sunday evening, yesterday. It's around 24 business hours, but it's or 48 business hours. And a weekend does not count as a business hour. So you got the first payout. Cool, right? So it's a new week, literally the start of the new series, because we received the payout. It's the start of the new series, and it is called Project 10K. Simply Project 10K, because I want to have a cool ass name. But yeah, Project 0 to 10K a month. Gonna call it Project 10K. It sounds way better. And of course, I'm gonna just keep it like I have done it every single week, just a weekly vlog style. But I'm gonna just focus more on the trading part. Maybe something cool happens, I go somewhere, I travel somewhere, I eat something. Like, you guys know pretty much. Like a weekly vlog, I'm gonna give some tips, advice, what I do, what I don't do, my weekly goals, etc, etc. And yeah, I'm pretty hyped. It is road to 10K a month. 10K month is the goal. Also because it is my goal for 2026. You already seen those goals. Get my first 10K month. So we got 10 more months. 10 more months, we're gonna crush it. Now it is time to work on something, because I will not be trading today. Even though the market will open in 1 hour, we are not gonna trade because we are sane in our head, and I will be not trading on a bank holiday. Monday, 16th of February, bank holiday. So 3-day weekend, fire. Guess this is what fixing hesitation looks like in trading. Just seeing a setup, taking it, don't like not caring about the loss because the size is so small, and at the end just being happy because you execute it, and then you get rewarded for the win. At 5 a.m. I hope you can see that. So it's 4:48 right now for me. My sleep schedule is completely ruined. I fucked it up. It used to be good. I used to go to sleep at 10:30 and wake up at 6 a.m., 7 a.m., which was fire. But right now it's 4:48 and we just banked on Asia. I woke up at 9:30, bro. I just wanted to fix my sleep schedule. I didn't really care about getting enough sleep this time because I thought, yo, I'm just gonna sleep 1 or 2 cycles and then I'm simply just gonna go to bed at like midnight and finally fix my sleep. I woke up at 9:30 and then fall back asleep and woke up at lunch exactly at 12 p.m. But whatever, we got, oh, look, like this is so beautiful. Every single vitamin that you need, boom, perfect. 4 eggs and oranges and coconut water right here. You can see that, right? This is the win from yesterday in Asia. And I was already thinking about it. For my instance, for my life, everything is going too well. Yes, I'm up, I'm listening to W music, I'm chilling, I'm not tired. I see a setup. I kind of hesitate on the first entry, but then I see and think to myself, gang, I gotta entry this. And I just simply press the button, which I never done before. So first of all, I'm proud of myself because of that. Everything is going too well. I moved my stop to break even. Break even got edged. TP got edged. We retraced into a February gap, delivered lower. Boom, bank TP. I was just chilling, listening to music, bro. And it was fire. And then I knew already I already knew something is off, right? And then I look, bro. The copy trader was not on. Copy trader was not on because apparently after you take the payout, your account gets kind of disabled and then reactivates again. And every time the account gets disabled and reactivates, the copy trader gets turned off as well. So I did notice because, like I already told you, it was my first ever payout. And of course, how can I know this? Account A, account B. Account A needs 4 more winning days in order to receive a payout. And account B now needs 5 more winning days because copy trader was not on, right? And also account B has now $230 less balance than account A. So of course we took 0 trades. I told y'all I will be taking today off because I literally banked in Asia. I'm gonna eat something, eggs with ground beef and oranges. Perfect.
Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kablow.
New day. So it's time to put in new work. So market's gonna open like 1 hour, and before that I wanna post a YouTube video. Not maybe post, maybe I'll only record it because I also want to record my live trading today. And if I bank, if I lose, I don't know. I might post this on my YouTube instead of the psychology raw talk, because first of all, for today I planned something. I posted a reel and a story about that on my IG. It's like talking about how delusional you should be and how delusional you should not be. Being delusional and having delusional goals is really, really important and really, really good. But being delusional to a sense where you think that the things that you're doing right now are gonna get you to those delusional goals is completely wrong. And this is what I've been doing at the start of my trading journey, and this is what have kept me away from the success that I wanted to achieve. I'm still not there. I'm not saying that I achieved success or whatever, but I see an improvement. And at the start, when I had those delusional goals, I didn't see improvement. And improvement is the biggest key. If you improve every single day, eventually, if you stay consistent, you're gonna get there. So if you can improve every single day, you will get there. And how do you improve every single day? Don't think that the things that you're doing right now are gonna magically turn you profitable and it's gonna click. And that's what I realized, and I'm gonna make a whole ass YouTube video on that. If you just a raw talk, psychology, motivational thing, talking about what's gonna change, what you should change, and what I changed in order to start seeing improvement. Maybe like 7-8 minutes. And yeah, if you like what I'm talking about, just watch the psychology video after this weekly vlog. What's good, my lovely fellas? I got distracted today, so I kind of missed a setup. Missing setup, and also I didn't get filled after that, because yeah, just let me show you. So we did not take a trade today, but this right here, this was amazing. This was literally really, really clean. If you just go over today, I already posted a recap on my stories on IG. If you want to tap in, link in the description. But just looking at the higher time frame, 1 hour already flipped bullish, but overall higher time frame is bearish. So I'm just looking what price is gonna tell me. And pre-market, we got this SMT right here, and we react pretty heavy off that. We also put in this SMT, swept this internal high right here, and also inverse this 1 hour gap really aggressively, like really good closure. But higher time frame holds more power. So we got a 4 hour gap that I use as my draw liquidity for shorts. And also if you pump through this gap right here, we got this low. And what are we doing off open? We actually take out the draw, the first draw right here. We start chopping around in the 4 hour gap. Then bullish candle to the upside. We go higher, boom, lots of bullish volume to the upside. And I told the Discord that like those 50-minute gaps right here, especially on the ES, those are my conditions. If you respect them, you're gonna go lower now, and if you pump through them, we are simply gonna go higher. Simple as that. Like, keep your trading pretty simple. It is so easy. If you hold this gap, boom, lower. If you keep pumping, if you inverse and kind of ignore them, go higher. So we tapped it in the last second, kind of in the last minute. We got this candle down, so we failed to inverse it, but ES actually made it because ES was more bullish, as you can see right here. We inversed it with this close right here. And then we got a retrace lower kinda, which was a pretty aggressive and deep retrace, as you can see, pretty much. But what would give me conviction for this long? We failed to put in a new low. So what are we doing right here? We put in this low in the 4 hour gap, and then we got this fat volume. On ES, we inverse this 50-minute gap, so pretty much my condition holds, has gotten ran through, so I'm looking for buys right here. And we get a retrace, so in this case, if this 50-minute gap holds, then, and we get this move lower, what should we get? We should keep moving lower. If we tap this 50-minute gap, go lower, we should keep moving lower and make a new low right here. So we gotta make a lower low, put in a lower high, and then a new lower low, shift bearish, and take out the final draw. We have a failure swing right here, and of course we got a failure swing on ES. And after that we get a wonderful candle to the upside. Boom, perfect. Next candle, wonderful. And on NQ, same kind of shit. Fat candle to the upside, fat candle to the upside. NQ ES correlating. We got some draws above us. ES had more, actually better highs, because this was London high, and it I don't know, it just looks much better. And yeah, simple, really, really simple. We fell to the little lower, we keep pumping. If you really want to hold this 15-minute gap, we would have come make a new low, and we would not close a 1-minute candle like strongly like this after getting this move down. So I knew, yo, we are gonna go higher, but I got distracted. But like, I don't know what it was. It was not hesitation this time, which I'm pretty proud of. I kind of like maybe 10, 15, 20% hesitation, but I really don't know. I got a blackout in the moment. I was chilling in a Discord call with my friends, and we were kind of talking, laughing a little bit, and I explained to my new friend that I want to put on trading. He asked me a few questions, I helped him out, and I don't know, I kind of just, I mean, I saw this candle playing out, but I don't remember this anymore. And after that, I saw, yo, wait a second, like this looks wonderful, bro. This looks amazing, and like go break even after we get this move lower and higher. It's like, wow, look at this delivery, right? This is perfect. This is an amazing trade. Also, perfect risk reward, perfect stop loss. Like, this is beautiful. And I even told my friend, yo, I like this would have been the entry actually, like right here. And after that, I saw I actually just keep pumping. So I went to the 5-minute. I wanted to do a stop loss like this, I think. Yeah, I think like a stop loss here, and we were already here, so I would have needed a retrace, and I think I placed it to here. Yeah, I think this is like the exact trade that I had marked out, something like this, maybe boom, I don't know, somewhere around this area. So we closed like this, and I actually expected a retrace. Like, to me, to limit order this, we confirmed the draw, we are overall bullish, it is so free, and I would have just go break even at this internal high. But bro, look at this, bro. Like, we don't come down and fill all of those unmitigated gaps, those imbalances, and we just straight pump higher. No bearish candle in sight. Like, I couldn't even get a fill. No, there's only one this wick lower, but when we closed this candle, only after that I placed my limit order. So I missed out on this one, but yeah, it is whatever. What's good, boys? So I'm back home. I could not trade today on my PC or like trade in general because I had an appointment at like 9 a.m. Eastern time, so half an hour before market opened. So I decided, like, why force something, look at my phone. I'm just gonna still send out the bias for my Discord to draw liquidity, and I peeked here and there just to look whether we get something or not. But bro, like, I'm so glad that I didn't have to come on and look at this bullshit, because just simply look at this. This is, let me mark it out with the vertical line right here. This is market open. Look what we did. This is the structure that we built. Chop, 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 chop. And I was pretty happy when I came online. I saw this on the 5-minute right here. Look how the 50-minute looks like. It's like complete bullshit, right? Overall, we were bearish. I set myself this condition to this low, but ES already took this. ES was more bearish. ES already also tapped the 1 hour gaps. We got SMTs above, below. Structure looks pretty weird. We go on the 5-minute. We're chopping around. We got a data low right here. And off open, we kind of manipulate, go lower. I saw this playing out, but I didn't like this at all. Like, I don't know, bro. You're entering in a fat range. This draws, yes, even though it's a data low, you should play more aggressive, but I just don't like this at all. I just don't like this. I don't see any trades, to be honest, so I'm really glad that I stayed out today. And in the evening, I got a recipe. I'm gonna make very good brownies. 2 eggs, cocoa powder, I have raw cacao. Also, we need some dates for the recipe, honey, raw honey, and bro, I think that's pretty much it. You don't need anything more. And I didn't believe it at first, but a friend of mine did them, like he baked them, and bro, I think this is the best thing I've ever ate. What do we need? 2 bananas, 2 eggs, dates, yeah, soda pretty much, honey, and raw cacao. This will be so fire, gang. Bro, what is actually happening to me again? I feel dead. I feel literally like a corpse. I don't know. Do you call that corpse? Corpse? Like a dead body, bro. The weather is completely bullshit. It is really, really bad. Like every single day, bro. Every single week. It looks the fucking same. It's gray, wet, ugly. No sun, nothing. I don't know what's happening to my nervous system, bro, but the last 3 days I slept so bad. Woke up multiple times, went to sleep late, woke up early, went to sleep back again, bro. I feel dead. I look like a I look like I died, bro. But and also that's the reason why I didn't record yesterday. Yesterday was Friday. It's actually Saturday right now. I would post this video, but I cannot, bro. I could literally just lay in my bed right now, right here, and just go to sleep. It is 5 p.m. right now. I'm literally about to pass out, and it's been like this for the last 3 days. Yeah, I gotta go to sleep today at like 9 or 10 p.m. and just hopefully sleep for like 12 hours, reset myself. So I am about to show you guys the recap for Friday. Nothing bad happened. I just missed 2 trades. Also not because of hesitation, but like I wanted to take actually 2 trades, but first trade didn't work because of the alpha news rule on the zero accounts. I cannot enter 2 minutes before and after, and we had 9:45 news, which suck. I hate them. And yeah, like the setup presented itself at like 9:39, I think. And like I don't want to gamble because what if it gets me out of the position at 9:43? Payout will get denied, bro. Shit doesn't make any sense. So I don't want to risk that. It ended up delivering at 9:42 and like 30 seconds, so it would be really close, but it would have worked out. And the second setup, I was just calculating my risk. I had 2 micros selected. I just wanted to entry. Literally, I was about to press the button, and in under 2 seconds, we got a 150 point candle, because the Supreme Court did something with Trump's tariffs or some shit. So, and it hit immediately my TP. Immediately TP hit. So yeah, this shit sucked as well, and after that I just hopped off. I'm going to show you all the trades. I'm gonna post a few reels today, do some chin tucks, neck curls, spend time with my mom, answer a few calls, questions, and yeah, bro. The rest of the day, I'm not gonna do anything. Oh, this shit is dying, bro. But if we look at the hourly chart, you see this candle right here, right? This was the open of the new 4-hour gap, which we had on MNQ and normal NQ, and this is literally the best draw liquidity. If we have still a candle that is still printing and it has no wick to the upside or downside, this is the best draw liquidity, and this was my draw. Like, this was my draw for today, even though we were more bearish. I told everyone in the Discord, I called it, I marked out this. I've told everyone, if you keep pushing this, and eventually this, we didn't edges. We took all of the draws, but this was my main one right here, and I think also this one. But yeah, coming into the day, right? If you open the 5-minute time frame, you can see off open. Where's the market open candle? This is the market open candle. Just look. We manipulate lower, boom, there's nothing that we tapped, right? We already took out pre-market, those lows right here, and we just manipulated lower, as you can see with this 9:30 candle, and we literally straight pumped higher. Those candles are the most beautiful candles I've ever seen. I wanted actually to get a retrace, low-key, but after this candle right here, I already knew, okay, we won't get a retrace. Probably should have entered just off the 5-minute and play like a stop like this and target the no wick high and go break even on this data high, because this was like 8:30 bullshit. But yeah, I didn't take this. I didn't look at the 5-minute, and then I saw, yo, we are pumping, we are pretty close. Even though yes, we are taking out this data high, I know we're gonna put in the higher wick now, and I wanted to limit order around this area, literally like something like this. My stop loss was based off the 5-minute. I covered a little bit of that gap, I think, like something like that. I think it was like this, right? Yeah, I wanted to take this, but as you can see, this presented itself at 9:39 and delivered at 9:42. So I already told y'all, I don't want to risk that. It is fine if it delivers without me. I'm happy that I saw the setup, it played out, and yeah, it was wonderful, right? And just seeing how we pump through it, pretty much we start displacing, keep displacing, and as you can see right here, we get a deep retrace, we re-sweep those lows. I don't know what this candle was. It was also so weird, bro. Like, we moved so volatile to the downside and then back to the upside, and then the next candle pumps, closes really beautifully. This was also a 5-minute gap tap. As you can see, no gap tap on NQ, but ES tapped a 5-minute gap, which gave me more confidence. Like, I still got it marked out. So SMT at those lows, manipulated, tapped the 5-minute gap. We still got draws lower, volatility is insane, and I marked this shit out right here. Like, literally, I just placed this shit. So you can see my desired risk to fix my hesitation, and I What I actually targeted, wait, I had a 1-to-1. Maybe I targeted this high. This could be it, right? Yeah, I think I had this high marked out and I had to adjust my stop loss to like 2 contracts. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Exactly right here. As you can see, 1.9. So I wanted to play this, and literally in 1 second we pumped 175 points to the next draw liquidity, and after that I just hopped off. So pretty much no trades this week besides one trade in Asia, I think on Monday night, and also on one account only because copy traded didn't work. So yeah, pretty slow week, but lots to learn, lots to journal, lots to look out for and reflect. And now, gang, bro, I'm about to throw up. I don't feel good. I'm shaking. I'm cold. I don't know what's happening. Maybe I'm getting sick, but yeah, this video would have come out on Saturday, but I tried to do it tomorrow. Thank y'all, guys. This was the first episode of the new project. I'm sorry that it's kind of lame, but I don't know what happened to me this week. I wanted to post a few gym clips as well, included right here. Do some raw talks, maybe some insights, but yeah, it kind of turned out to be only a trading kind of thing. Even though I said, yeah, I'm gonna focus more on trading on this project, 10K. But yeah, next week is gonna be better, guys. Thank you all for the support. Oops, and we'll see us in the next one. Bye bye.